Good morning. Okay, I'm letting the Jag roll out of my garage to get some better light. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, I want to show you a cold start. Choke on. I got to put the camera down to crank. The fuel pump run. Neutral. That's a cold start. Has not run in a couple of days. Give it just a second. Oil pressure and the voltmeter are coming up. Oil pressure is excellent. Gotta let it sit and warm up for a little bit. I will come back once it's warmed up. See, it's got a nice crisp throttle response. Check back in a few minutes after we get a little heat in this thing. Morning traffic. Everybody. Well, here we go. Let's go for it. Very quick. Very snappy. It's a great running Jag. I mean, great running. We're just about to the halfway point on the temperature. I drove the car in traffic. Rush hour traffic, it never went above that. A little bit past that point where it is right now. That is absolutely it. No overheating issues.